Oh. Oh my God. We got it. Oh my God. Does it matter? Do I need to get into that? That's it. I just wanted a one-liner. Oh, yeah. Where are we going? Yep. We're dancing. I'm sure you could cut, save battery. Now I can take a measure. Take a measure. Or marble, or what's the other one?
Quartz.
Cut that knot right out of there. Better not mess me up. Mother trucker. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. This is a little messed up. Quite all right. I'll fix it. Looks a little ugly, but it'll work. I don't think that's, no, I'm not saying, I don't think that's going anywhere. Well, that's not going anywhere. These ones are a little tricky. This is like the stair thing all over again. Remember?
Sorry.
It's telling me that the cabinets are good that way and they're not f***ed up. Let's see if I can get it in an angle. I can get it, but I totally missed. Oops. It could go there. Of existing cabinets. Cabinet, the countertop. Existing cabinet. Existing cabinet. Oh my God. Some existing cabinets. This one I'm gonna skip. The head's messed up. So why am I using it? I can hopefully clean that. It's not coming off. You can Jed clamp it. Ooh, don't go. Please don't go. I'm begging you to stay. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. I consider this a challenge. Ah. Okay, I'll take it out and redo it. Luckily I had extra fillers. Maybe they didn't mean to give me this one. Really hard to tell on camera, but they are definitely different colors. This side looks better. It's almost like they didn't do enough of the color. I changed my mind. That tape was making it hard to see. Hey, I'll get this eventually. B-roll, a little loose. I just had it shoopy-doopied. I can't see.
I can.
Oh, these are different heights. I gotta go home. That didn't work. This is the shot, Lauren. Are you ready? Thank goodness for this tool. Thank goodness for Chef Boyardee.
Ah, did you install cabinets today? It's really dusty. Like sawdust everywhere in the cabinet.
Please fit. I don't think that's going anywhere. Whoa, hello. And here's where we'll put the end screen with some videos that you might want to watch next. Some other home repair videos. It's up to you. Or you can subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.